Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be making a salad from leftover chicken and also leftover salad. So everything here practically is leftover from a previous dinner. So these are going to be like my dinner ideas. Dinner with chicken ideas. Whatever you want to call it. It can also be a chicken Caesar salad. We've got the leftover salad. Okay, and it's a lot, so I didn't really want to get rid of it. It's still edible. I'm gonna be adding cucumber to some of it because I like a lot of cucumber in my salad. We've got the leftover chicken. Okay, and I just cut it up and I reheated it. Alright, then we've got some bread over here. And what I'm going to do with the Italian bread, I'm going to spread some butter on it. And I've got a little bit of melted garlic butter that I usually, I make when I want to make some garlic bread. And what I do is I heat up 1 clove of garlic and about 4 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. And I just let the flavors blend together, and then I use that on my bread alongside some extra butter, and whatever I don't use, I refrigerate it. I don't throw it out because it's still usable. It's still good. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spread some butter on my bread because I want to make some garlic toast. And I put this butter in the microwave, and I left it a little too long. As you can see, it's really melted. Okay. And right, so we're just gonna spread that butter in the bread. Okay, I hope everyone's doing well today. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm gonna go take a walk a little bit after this. I have some errands to do. But I just wanted to get the salad done first. Okay, then we're going to take some of our garlic butter. Okay, which is already, you can see some of the garlic clove in there and the butter. Okay, and I'm just going to, it's already melted, so I'm just going to put a little bit, drizzle a little bit of that over my bread. Okay, I just want to, I like garlic. I just don't want, a lot of garlic. I like just the taste of it, the hint of it. All right, that smells pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. All right, now if you like garlic pieces in your, crushed garlic or sliced garlic in your toast, that's good too. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our aluminum foil, and we're going to take our piece of garlic bread, and we're going to toast it. I'm going to toast it in my toaster oven. Okay, just like that. At 400, let's say 400 degrees, just for a few minutes. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn on you. All right, let me wipe this out a little. And like I said, I like a lot of cucumber in my salad, so I'm going to cut up a little bit more cucumber here. Okay, let me just rinse this off. Alright, this is already washed. This is just a piece that was left over from the salad I made before, so we're just gonna, I don't like to keep a lot of the peel, so I'm gonna take most of it off. Let me use another knife. Okay. then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to slice it up into small rounds. And you add whatever you like. If you like additional tomatoes in your salad, everybody likes something more than something else usually, you know, in their salad. I enjoy a lot of pickle in my salad. It has like a nice melon taste to me, very refreshing. And this is also great for a summer salad. Just get a spoon, fork. And this is something also good for if you need a picnic idea, you know, for picnic foods, this would be great. You know, salad ideas, a side dish for dinner, this would be great. Okay. And don't like too many tomatoes, but I do like the cucumber. All right, and then I add my cucumber on top. That's what I really like. That's my favorite when it comes to salad. Okay, maybe a little bit more of the lettuce. All right, let's get rid of this. All right, let me keep an eye on my toast. I can smell it there. If you have a favorite salad, please let me know in the comments what your favorite salad is, what kind of salad you've made. You know, this is great for chicken recipes for dinner, chicken salad. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I'm putting it in the wrong place. This is, well, that's okay. Some of it can go there. All right, but most of it is going to go in my salad. Right. The rest of this is going to go back in the refrigerator, and someone else can have half of this. They can add whatever they wanted to it. I've also made this chopped salad sandwich with leftover lettuce. It's very good. Alright, I'm going to put my butter away because it's really, really melting away. I'm going to put away my garlic butter. Alright, I'm going to put away my salad. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. It's not bad. Hey, for a quick salad, it's, you know, lunch idea, dinner idea, whatever ideas you need for meals. Here's a quick one. Nice, fast, easy. No, it can't be quicker than that. Put away my salad. If you want to have anything else with this, that's if you made hamburgers, you know, if you're in a picnic, you've got franks, pork chops, you know, anything would go great with this salad. I'm going to put away my cucumber. Okay, and my bread looks like it's toasty already. Alright, so let me get my bread. Yep, it's ready. Okay, here's my bread. Here's my salad. Turn off the toaster oven. Alrighty, there we go. beautiful. You can't go wrong with a salad. You know, if you need a summer salad recipe, here's one. Okay, chicken recipes for dinner, dinner ideas, lunch ideas. Okay, this is a very good recipe right here. Nice, quick, and easy. You can't ask for anything faster than this. Looks beautiful, looks tasty. Thanks for visiting, guys.